Hello, bachcho. Let's see the question. The question says six antinodes are observed in the air column when a standing wave in Kundt tube. What is the length of the air column if the steel bar of 1 meter length is clamped at the middle? The velocity of the steel is given in the air is also given. So first of all, the points where the displacement is peak, okay, we are having a maximum displacement are called antinodes. So these are the points of antinodes. A, these are the antinodes. Now antinodes are six, and where the point where where displacement is zero is known as node. So it is node. So here one, it is also node. It is also a node, 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 node. So their nodes are also six, and what is the distance between them? Which is lambda by 2. Okay. Okay, so this complete distance is lambda by 2, and from this node to this antinode distance is lambda by 4. Clear? So moving on to the question, what is saying? Is saying here a tube is enclosed in a closed organ pipe. Okay, nodes are formed at the ends. The separation between six antinodes, the separation 6 between 6 antinodes is 5 lambda by 2, or that is also equals to lambda by 4. One node plus 5 lambda by 2 is equals plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, and that is equals to 3 lambda. Okay, so I'm just calculating the total nodes. Okay, now if the steel rod is clamped in the middle, what is saying, a steel rod is clamped in the middle. If the steel rod clamped in the middle, node is formed in the middle, node is formed in the middle, and antinodes formed in the end. Is formed in the middle, and antinode forms at the end. Okay, therefore, like steel rod is formed in the middle, and the length of the steel rod is somehow 1 meter. Okay, let me draw it in a separate way. Okay, so like steel rod is of 1 meter, and it is clamped in the middle, node is formed in the middle, and antinodes is formed in the end. Okay, therefore, what is the L steel? Length of the steel is what? Is equals to lambda by 2. Means that the steel rod is placed at the 1 meter apart, and it is like this, like this. So this is total distance So what? Lambda by 2, as I have already told you. So L steel is equals to lambda steel by 2. Okay. So lambda steel is what? Is equals to 2 into L, and that is equals to 2 meter. Okay. Now we know that, let me solve here. What we know that velocity is equals to n lambda. So n air is equals to what? N of steel. Simple. Therefore, find the value of n from here. What you will get? You will get V air by lambda air, and that is equals to V steel upon lambda steel. Okay. So lambda air is what? Come up to be V air upon V steel into lambda steel. V air upon V steel into lambda steel. So the values are given in the question already. V air is velocity of air is 343 meter per second. Velocity of steel is 3250 multiplied by lambda steel is what? 2 meter. So if you solve this, you will get 0.1306 meter. If you solve this, you will get 0.1306 meter. So that is what? That is the lambda in the air. Okay. So what is L air? So L air is equals to 3 into lambda. Okay, which we have already find. So let me make it here. So L air, we have already find L air. Okay, how? In the first part of the question we have already find the lambda length air by just solving this expression. L air is equals to lambda by 4 plus 5 lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4, and that is equals to 3 lambda. Okay, that is already given in the question, and I have solved this. You can watch it previously. Okay, so put the value of lambda air which we have find, and you will get the L air. So L air is equals to 3 into 0.1306, so that is come up to be 39.2 centimeter. 39.2 centimeter.